we found out that this guy was their big cannon on our case. He and some other judges loved the common law. They had their own organization where that's all they do is study common law. They love it. He was a specialist in common law, and this case we had was a common law case. And on top of that, this guy, now this is a Superior Court case, this guy at one time was the presiding judge of the appellate department of the Superior Court in California. We had one of their sharpest men on the job here. But you know what? It made no difference. Why? Because he wasn't in charge. He couldn't make any decisions. You know, I like to tell people, partly because I'm mentally ill, I like to tell people that I am the world's foremost authority on how a guest should be treated and how a host should act when a guest is visiting a host in the host's home. Okay? You want to know anything about etiquette? Just ask me. I'm the self-appointed authority. I can tell you all about it. Okay? Now, there is one little detail. When I go to visit you in your home, how much authority do I have? Somewhere close to zero, right? That's the problem the judge had. He was in my home. You see? So, anyway, going back to this, citizen of the United States means that you're a 14th Amendment citizen and you are subject to the jurisdiction. People are not subject to the jurisdiction. Only citizens of the United States are subject to the jurisdiction. Okay? If you're not subject to the jurisdiction, you can't be a citizen of the United States. Now I got another one for you. In addition to all that, did you know that you can be a citizen of the United States for some purposes and not a citizen for other purposes, and the choice is yours? You decide. That's why I have a Social Security number. That's why I plan to get whatever retirement things they want to throw at me. That's fine. Because it's restricted to that specific contract. Okay? Unless there's some overt agreement on my part that I accept all those terms, and it better be knowingly, intelligently, you know, all those conditions for a good contract, and they're in trouble if they try to carry it beyond the basics. So you can be a citizen. Now, how is that possible? Well, here's what happened.